5 everyday designs written in blood and genius. Each one hides a life or death lesson. The door you push open every day, the seat belt you buckle. Someone paid with their life for those designs. Some were born from the deaths of over 600 people. Others came from a genius engineer who chose saving lives over profit. None of these ordinary objects exist by accident. Number 5. Seatbelts. A horizontal one would crush your organs in a crash. A horizontal belt strapped across your waist at 60 kilometers per hour would crush your internal organs on impact. Volvo engineer Nils Bohlin invented the 3-point seatbelt. It crosses diagonally from your shoulder across your chest, not for style, but to distribute crash force across your skeleton's 3 strongest points: collarbone, ribcage, and pelvis. A horizontal belt concentrates all that force on your soft abdomen, a death trap. Most people back then thought seat belts were pointless, but Bohlin knew this strap could save lives. Volvo made an extraordinary decision. They opened the patent for free to every car manufacturer on Earth. Profit didn't matter. Only lives did. That single diagonal strap has saved over 1 million lives. Every time you buckle up, you're wearing a design born from one engineer's conscience. Number 4. USB. Even the inventor regrets the design. It doesn't fit. Flip it over, still doesn't fit. Flip it back, and suddenly it works. Even the inventor regrets this design. USB creator Ajay Bhatt later admitted he actually wishes he'd done it differently. Back then, to save manufacturing costs, he chose a single orientation design, because making it reversible would have doubled the production cost. That one decision frustrated people worldwide for over 20 years. It wasn't until USB Type-C came along, with its reversible plug, that this maddening problem was finally solved. Was saving a few cents in manufacturing really worth 2 decades of collective human frustration? Number 3. Soda can tab. Spin it around to hold your straw. You've been using soda cans your whole life, and you probably never knew what that hole in the tab is actually for. Spin the tab around so the hole lines up over the opening. Slide your straw through it, and the straw stays perfectly in place instead of floating around while you drink. That hole is a built-in straw holder. It's an incredibly simple design that perfectly solves an everyday annoyance. Next time you grab a can of soda, try it. You might realize that things you've used for years still hold secrets you never noticed. Number 2. Building doors. Because 602 people died. In 1903, over 600 people were trapped inside a burning theater, and they couldn't get out because the doors opened inward. It was the Iroquois Theater in Chicago. When fire broke out, the entire audience stampeded toward the exits. Hundreds of people shoved against the doors with everything they had, but the doors were designed to pull inward. The harder the crowd pushed, the more impossible it became to open them. People in front were crushed to death by the wave of bodies behind them. 602 people died that day. That disaster rewrote building codes across the world. Every emergency exit in a public building must now open outward. Every time you push open a door in a public building, you are using a design written in the blood of 602 people. Number 1. Airplane window hole. A critical safety feature that balances air pressure. There's a pinhole-sized opening in every airplane window. Without it, the window could shatter. It's called a bleed hole, and it's one of the most critical safety features on an airplane. Airplane windows actually have 3 layers of glass. The outer layer bears the enormous pressure difference between cabin and sky. The middle layer serves as a backup, and the inner layer protects passengers. This tiny hole allows air to flow between the inner and middle layers, ensuring the pressure difference is mainly handled by the outermost pane. Without it, the middle layer could crack from uneven pressure. A hole no bigger than a pinhead keeps every passenger safe. Next time you fly, look closely at the bottom of the window. Your life might just depend on it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more amazing content. The most ordinary things around us hold the most extraordinary stories. Like and subscribe. See you next time.